Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. You guys know Saturday is the day that I cast off my 100 envelope savings challenge that we are doing like a family. Yeah, I have had a lot of questions asking me whether it's the same challenge I'm doing for the low income. No. So I'm doing 200 envelope savings challenge, one for the low income. That one, I'm posting the video regularly for those of you who have been following me because we want to finish it fast to see how much we will save if we do it that way. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm leaving it on top here so that you can watch it out. Today is the family one, and I'm going to do for myself and my mom's son. So keep watching. Hi friends, this is your girl Josy. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm super excited to share with you the motivational message that says it's okay not to have it all figured out. It is so true. It is okay. This week I've been I wouldn't say I'm down, but this week I've been one of the weeks that I've been questioning a lot of stuff in my life and what I've been praying about, asking God, how should I do it? And I realized that it's okay if I haven't figured it out yet. When the time comes, God will figure it out for me because I've been praying. So it's okay. I want to tell you, it's okay if you haven't figured it all out. If you are watching me and you haven't figured it all out, it's okay. Keep working on it. Keep working on it. Let's count the money and dive into this video. I hope everybody is doing very well. Like talking about this, I kind of tear down a little bit. But I'm super excited you are here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm so grateful that you are here and you are part of my friends. So let's count the money for today and see how we're going to do this. And I think I love the way I've been putting the figures on the screen to see how much I'm putting in each packet. I think that one really helps so that people will know how I'm doing it. Because at times people don't see how much is going into each packet. So let's count it. ASMR. No, I'm not doing ASMR. I'm going to count it loud so that you guys will know. I didn't bring my calculator, so we're going to do a little math here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, it means that 160. 1, 2, that's 20. So 180. Then I have 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 30. So that's 210. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 216. Yes, I think I did the math right. No, I should get my calculator and make sure. Now I'm questioning myself. You see how your girl is. Let me speed it up. Yeah, 216. I got it right. Okay, so that's what we're going to put it in my binder and my mom's binder. So let's see how we're going to do this. And today I also have a candle on my table. Let me read. Oh, it's hot. This candle, it smells so good. It smells like ice cream kind of thing. It smells so good. I've been using it in my office here, and it makes the place smell so good. And it's big, so it kind of warm up the place too as well. I love it. Let me put it here. Okay, so now let's start with no, that's my mom's. Okay, we'll go ahead and start with my mom. For those of you who've been following along, you guys know for my mom, I'm doing $25 for each packet. Let me put it in the middle here so that everybody can see. I really want people to see this as well. It's okay, not figure it out. Okay, So I think everybody can see that as well, and you can see the packets here. Yeah, I always want to arrange my stuff. Okay, now everything is okay. Okay, let's do this. So for my mom, each packet get $25, and because at the end of the challenge I want to save $2,500 for her. So today we're going to eat each packet get 25. So we are doing 4 packets every other week. So somebody doing the ends very well, and you went straight in with super excited. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've asked you guys how you guys are doing. Yeah, today is Saturday, it's weekend, and I'm okay. I worked today and it went very well. Today wasn't that bad at all at work. Most of the times weekends are really rough because we have a short hours, but today wasn't that bad. Then this one get 25. Okay, then this packet get 25. So in case you want to do it, that's another way to do the 100 envelope savings challenge. You pick a number, or you say maybe each packet will get $10, each packet will get $1. Whichever way you want to do it, go ahead and do it. Do it on your own way. Don't follow the numbers that, oh, I don't think I can save 5,000 for the whole year. Yeah, not everybody can do that, trust me. So whichever way you think you can, go ahead and do it. Okay, so that's all for my mom for today, as you can see. And I'll go ahead and do the tracker. So I'm doing it on my own way. I'm not following the 100 envelope challenge like the way everybody do it. $25 in each packet. And like I said, when you buy from my shop, you get an empty tracker. So in case you want to do on your own way, you can. You can, yes. Okay, I'm loving it. So cute. So now let's put it on the side and we'll go ahead and do mine. Let's get mine here. Okay, so this is my simple plans. And today we're going to do, let me do the update. So we're going to do 13, but we are doubling it, so that will be 26. And we do 14, we do 15, and we do 16. So we are going to double all those numbers. Let me do the update here as well. Yeah, I want my thing to show. So we're going to do 26, 28, 30, and 32. So now let's put the money in. So $26. Okay. Then we do 28. That's one thing I like about this. It doesn't get torn. I'm trying to squeeze the money in, but it's not getting torn. It's very doable, as you can see. And this one is $30. Then this is $32. Okay, so we done this, that, and that. So we still have quite a lot to go. I'm hoping to get it done by October, hopefully. But every other week, I do 4 packets. So next week will be my husband and the kids home. We are doing like a family. So every week I have ones that I cut stuff. And I'm also doing, and I'm also doing the 100 envelope for low income. If you've been watching me, if you haven't watched it, I urge you to go watch it. It's going very well. My next video is coming out on Monday, and that will be the 4th one. And every time I do 10 at a time. So I'm hoping to be done by 10. When I do up to part 10, then we're going to count it to see how much. As you can see, or the amount I've been putting in is very low. So, and the way it works, when you get to the double digits, like 21, I'm making it 2 plus 1, which is 3. So anybody can join. You can do 100 envelope savings challenge in your own way. Don't follow what somebody is doing. I'm telling you, and you can still save a bunch. So this is how far we've been. We've done 30 of them. And on Monday and Wednesdays, I'm going to post the video about it, and we're going to continue. So probably by Wednesday, we are halfway through. I can't wait to get it done and count with you guys. So if you haven't started, you bought it from me, or you have 100 envelope savings challenge sitting somewhere, I want you to grab it and just follow along with the low income one and see how we go, if you will urge you to save more. So thanks for watching me today. And today I just want to tell everybody it's okay. It's okay not to have figured it all out. I will see you in my next video. Bye, bye, bye.